Are you stressed? Do you have neck pain or pain between your shoulder blades? Did you know that one massage per month can alleviate this and help get your body back in alignment? One of the biggest misconceptions of massage therapy is that its only benefit is relaxation. Nope, false, not true at all. There are many benefits to a therapeutic massage. For instance, improved circulation, increased flexibility, and lower blood pressure, just to name a few. As a massage therapist, it's always my intention to set an expectation based on each and every client, and then to tailor all massage sessions to the individual therapeutic needs of each client. I've been a massage therapist for 14 years now. It's definitely a passion of mine. Modalities and skill sets are excellent tools to have, but having a passion and a belief in what I do, I think sets me apart. Okay, my name is Louise Harris. I am a massage therapist. I've been massaging since 2009. I have certification in pregnancy massage, sports massage, deep tissue, and Swedish. This is my spot. My business is Massage Excellence. And I'm on Instagram. It'd be massage_excellence. And that's it.